The fourth item for individual consideration today is consider authorizing Jordan to sign a contract for the amount of $764,134.45 on behalf of Mesa County with SAITECH Incorporated as a successful respondent to the RFP for a 5-year lease of Getac V120 notebook computers, docking stations, and installations for Mesa County fleet vehicles supporting the Sheriff's Office, Building, Road and Bridge, engineering departments as detailed by the SAITECH's RFP. Response and approve the issuance of a 2026 purchase order in the amount of $257,036.85 with the intent to fund the remaining years 2 through 5 at the annual rate of $126,774.80. You can catch your name.
Troy Flick.
Thank you.
Yes, good morning, Commissioners. Troy Flick, Mesa County IT Operations Manager. Yes, this morning we are asking for the authorization to sign a 5-year lease contract with SAITECH, not to exceed the amount of $764,134.45. This is for 120 Gen 5 Getac V120 tablets, their docking stations, antennas, and installation services for use at the Sheriff's Office and Public Works. This is the proposal we recommend after going through a formal RFP process. This new equipment will be under a support and replacement warranty for the length of the lease. It will have, these workstations will have improved specifications to operate Windows 11. They will also support 5G connectivity for better performance, and they will provide more storage to accommodate larger offline GIS maps. The timeline for completion of this project is approximately 2 months for the vendor to build out the tablets and docks, followed by a period of approximately 3 to 4 weeks to install the new equipment in the vehicles. Do you have any questions for me about this?
Did you say that was 120 units?
Yes.
So they're $6,000 a unit, approximately?
Roughly.
Seems expensive, but I guess that's what we get for that, huh?
It is for the docking equipment that's mounted in the vehicles, and the tablets and all the equipment.
So they're not just laptops.
No, and they are their primary machine workstation, both inside and.
And that includes installation and everything?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Troy.
Thanks.
It makes a lot more sense when you tell the public this is a traveling office for these guys, and their support while they're out there in the field. I think that helps.
That's correct.
For the public to understand a little bit more about what this means for outcomes.
Yes, while they're out in the field, supporting the community.
Thank you.
All right. Does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second?
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.